let's take a cue card topic, which is about describe a person from a different culture. And in this topic, we can speak about somebody who came in our life while we were studying. It could be in the form of a teacher, it could be in the form of a neighbor, it could be in the form of a batchmate. And I have a personal experience that has occurred to me. I would love to elaborate that particular story in this cue card. So here is my take in this particular cue card topic. When I was doing my senior secondary education, during my plus 1 and plus 2 class, our school has introduced a new faculty member for teaching us the subject English. He was a male teacher and he was brought from Kerala, and generally in my hometown, I belong to Haryana state, it is believed that South Indian people are masters of English language and they are seen as the virtuoso, or they are seen as the experts of English language. With that sort of mentality, the management of my school has introduced him to us, and the very first experience by studying with this teacher was really awesome. It was outstanding because he was quite fluent as well as outspoken. He was quite candid in his expressions, and the way he was using English language was even better than the way we were using our mother tongue. So he was really phenomenal in the use of English language. And apart from that, by spending time with him, we learned a lot about the culture of Kerala, the food from Kerala, the dressing style, the festivals, the way they celebrate the festivals. That was really a very big and gigantic learning from that gentleman. And I really believed from that experience, like if we get exposed to people from different cultures, we can really expand our brain, we can really broaden our mental horizons, and we can learn new insights about how other people live in their cultures and what are their gods, what kind of holidays they have, what kind of rituals they have, how they dress themselves, and what kind of beliefs, thought processes, what kind of prejudices they have in their culture. So I would sum up by saying in the end, like the teacher from Kerala, he taught us English subject for 2 years, and the experience with him was really outstanding. It was a massive learning, it was an epic learning from him, and I would look forward in my future as well if in upcoming years of my education I get exposed to teachers from different cultures, as I am doing IELTS and I am hoping and expecting to go to Canada or in some good country in future. So I am expecting some great teachers, some great students from other parts of the world, and I would be mixing with them, gaining a lot of things from them and expanding my brain by living with them. Thank you so much.